and welcome to IndianExpress.com. While the national capital in fact is reeling under the epidemic of chikungunya, there seems to be no end to the political blame game that has been happening over this health concern. In fact, so far, 4 deaths have been reported as far as chikungunya is concerned. But all the Delhi government is doing as of now is passing the buck. To know more on this, I'm joined by Mayura, my colleague, who will be speaking more on what is happening on ground. There's been widespread blame game that has been happening where the Aam Aadmi Party is blatantly blaming the centre and the LG, while the BJP is gunning for Aam Aadmi Party.
That's right. So this is an outbreak, and like most things that have happened in the recent past, it is also being politicized right now in the power tussle between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP at the centre. Now, Aam Aadmi Party is saying that since the August 4 judgment of the High Court, most of the powers and the powers of the administrator are with Delhi, and therefore the responsibility squarely falls before the LG and not before the Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi. They're also saying that officials have been transferred by Delhi. The health secretary, who is currently on leave, has been permitted by the LG to go on leave, and also bringing in the MCDs, which are run by the BJP, and saying that it was their job to clean up places in Delhi so that mosquitoes don't breed. So the Aam Aadmi Party is saying that while they are being questioned right now because of the outbreak, because of the reported deaths, it should instead have been the Lieutenant Governor and the MCDs who should be answerable at this point in time. Now, BJP, on the other hand, is saying that the Aam Aadmi Party, the 7-member cabinet of Arvind Kejriwal, has just, as of this morning, there was just one minister in town, and as of this afternoon, Health Minister Satyendra Jain came back. So they're saying at a time like a crucial time like this, when there is a huge outbreak of the scale, when the city needs its ministers, they're all away.
Right.
Which is what the Aam Aadmi Party is saying, that they shouldn't be the ones being answerable at that.
So far, there has been 4 deaths, but considering chikungunya is not a very fatal disease, what is the kind of arrangement that is being done by the Delhi government on ground, and what should be the ideal arrangement for such a setup to take place?
To begin with, the Delhi government, the Health Minister Satyendra Jain has also said that there is no cause for panic at the moment, and they've been at it. They've been preparations have been on for the last 2 or 3 months, and the government has also announced today that there are 1,000 extra beds for fever patients, because when patients go to the hospital, they're admitted first for fever, and so 1,000 additional beds in 3 major hospitals run by the Delhi government that have been added just for fever patients. In addition to that, there are fever clinics being opened in Mohalla clinics and more than 200 local dispensaries all around the capital. And the government has also put in place a helpline for people with queries about dengue, chikungunya, and what is the right way to go about treatment. And they have also asked staff from non-emergency divisions of hospitals to be brought into fever wards.
Right, but as far as chikungunya is concerned, how many cases have been reported in the national capital? How many people have been affected by this epidemic?
The total figure for vector-borne diseases as of today is over 2,000, and about 1,000 of these cases, according to the data maintained by the MCDs, is that of chikungunya. But what is unprecedented is the number of deaths. There have been 4 reported deaths, and there are unconfirmed reports at this point in time about possibly a 5th death. But that is why the alarm bells, I think, probably went off, because chikungunya deaths had not occurred before.
Clearly, the alarm bells ringing there after an unconfirmed report has come out of another death, leading to a total of 5 deaths as far as chikungunya is concerned. Thank you, Mayura, for getting us all these details. That's all we have as of now. Log on for more news and updates on IndianExpress.com.